Furnitures that create a better tomorrow. We are Vinayak Ply's, established 2012, the progress chains in furnishing the apex grade products, varying in the ranges emerging from blockboard and flush doors, which stands governing and substantial. Area sprawled over 5 acres, we are pledged to assure you the finest blockboard and flush doors across this great nation. The prime process advances the normal to superlative. Furnishing with apex caliber of quality substantial ranges, we here at Vinayak Ply avail oneself of the finest and exceptional usage mediums to assemble the finest blockboard and flush doors, assuring reliability, comfort and settled space to the furniture. The first move sets about with the selection of raw logs from the forest regions, forward with fragmenting the wooden logs with the aid of sawmill machine, turning the raw logs into wood blocks. The fragmented raw wooden blocks undergo chemical dip so as to ensure the shield resistance against viruses, termites and borers. Later, the chemical treatment, the wooden blocks are left for natural drying, nearly 24 hours. And next procedure positions the blocks for machine drying. More or less 7 to 8 days, doing away with the moisture. Planer machine connects with the process, making certain so as for planing the surfaces of the blocks. Onwards, the blocks goes through finger joint cutter machine, which outcomes and shapes the wooden ply into frames. The wooden frames are further being conjoined with the aid of the process, resulting in frames conjugation. Referred to as battens, the small blocks of the wooden ply undergoes the shaping mechanism. Fitting of the battens all across the conjugated frames is being followed. The block components are placed edged to edges all across the frames. Following the procedure, chemically bonded with the European standards adhesive. Following the procedure, wood veneers are chemically treated. The processed veneers are placed above and beneath the frames and dispatched for cold press and hot press so as to ensure adequate adhesive bonding of the layers. The cold and hot press of the veneers, along with the battens fitted frames, implies flattening and pressing of sheets, ensuring adequate chemical bonding across the furnished layers of the wooden blockboards and flush doors. Calibration steps in with the process onwards. The calibration of the blockboard and flush doors ensures thickness uniformity all across the length of the blockboard and flush doors. After calibration, affixing the face veneer over the blockboard and flush door surface acts in accordance with the process, ensuring smooth surface with a superior look. Onwards, the blockboard and flush doors afresh undergoes pre-press and hot press, ensuring absolute chemical bonding and veneering. Ahead with the process, trimming of the uneven edges and rough edges are followed. giving a comprehensible glance to the block board and flush doors. Ahead with the action, sanding machine makes certain to polish and smoothen the surface, assembling block board and flush doors with no dents and work marks. The board undergoes chemical dipping so as to ensure resistance against borers, termites and insects. Ahead with the process, stringent and random laboratory quality tests are followed, making it outright to utilize. The reassured boards follow the stamping process and further dispatched to our esteemed channel partners across the states of this great nation. The versatility and distinctive quality attributes defines the block boards and flush doors, an apex feature in terms of both productivity and selectivity. The varying ranges under the section of block boards covers opaque platinum, opaque gold, opaque magma. Various varieties under flush doors include Morion Platinum, Morion Gold. We completely follow the guidelines ensured under BIS, certified by ISI, ISO and IGBC. Get in touch with us. Dial toll-free number 1800-309-1918. Our contact numbers are 9627 20009, 95280-23016 or log into www.vinayakply.com. Bharosa quality ka, we are Vinayak Plies.